Hi, my name is Penwell. My surname is Silinda. I'm from SmartD app Pty Ltd, which we are currently operating nationwide, but we have our offices located at the University of Mpumalanga. Okay, I grew up from a rural community where we had to travel 3 kilometers to buy bread, 7 kilometers to catch a taxi, of which that was a major problem in our rural community. So with the love of technology and skill that I acquired from the University of Mpumalanga in developing mobile apps, I had to come up with a solution in solving the problems that we were facing in our rural community. That's why I had to come up with a programmatic app, which I call it SmartD app, with an intention to reach into deep rural communities where on-demand services were not provided. The services within SmartD app you can buy from cosmetics, fashion, restaurants like KFC, McDonald's, Galitos, and others. You can also access ride e-hailing, meaning that you can request a cab through our app. The advantage as well is that right now you can be able to rent out a car without the need of a credit card. You can send out parcels and many more within one app. Our app is not location-based. When you buy through our app, you can be able to receive your stuff that you have bought online same day. And we also offer bonuses and coupons through the app. And we offer free delivery for every item that you buy through our app, more especially on the restaurants. You can contact us on 0715664737, or you can go through our Facebook page, SmartD app, Instagram, SmartD app, Twitter, SmartD app, and you can download our app on Google Play Store. You can just type SmartD app. Hi, my name is Penwell. I am a township entrepreneur.